Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data to give you actionable trading insights. Today is October 16th, 2024, and we're looking at Microsoft MSFT stock. Let's start with the recent news. According to recent reports, Microsoft has been experiencing significant growth driven by its cloud services and AI innovations. This has been particularly evident in their cloud revenue, which has seen a substantial 23% increase. However, Microsoft faces some challenges, including increased operating expenses due to acquisitions like Activision and competitive pressures in the cloud market. Analysts are generally bullish on Microsoft stock, with many expecting it to reach a valuation of $4 trillion by 2027 due to their strong free cash flow generation and promising AI investments. Now let's shift our focus to the charts. If we look at the daily chart, we see a clear uptrend, but the stock seems to be struggling to break above the $420 level. This suggests that the $420 level is acting as a resistance level, and it may be difficult for the stock to push higher without a significant catalyst. Looking at the last several weeks on the daily chart, we can see a period of consolidation, potentially forming a bull flag pattern. However, the volume is relatively low, which could indicate that there's not much conviction behind this potential breakout. Let's move on to the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. Here, we can see that the stock has been trading in a range between $415 and $420 for the last few days, with a few attempts to break above the $420 resistance level. Notice how the price consistently bounces off of this $420 level on the 1-hour chart. This reinforces the notion that $420 is a key level to watch, as it could potentially act as a springboard for a further rally or a significant barrier to further upside. The 1-hour chart also shows that the stock has been consolidating in a range for the past 2 days. The lack of volatility in the 1-hour chart is also reflected in the daily chart. This may be indicative of market indecision and could indicate a potential breakout in either direction. To get even more granular, let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart and observe the recent swings. On this time frame, we can see more volatile price fluctuations, potentially forming a triangle pattern. This suggests that buyers and sellers are grappling for control, with a potential breakout from the triangle being a strong indicator of future direction. The volume on the 15-minute chart is also noteworthy. High volume spikes could indicate strong conviction behind a potential breakout. To summarize, the daily chart suggests a bullish trend, but resistance at the $420 level is a significant obstacle. The 1-hour chart shows consolidation and a potential breakout, but the lack of volatility indicates market indecision. Finally, the 15-minute chart shows a triangle pattern, which could point to a breakout in either direction. High volume could be a key indicator of a breakout. In conclusion, Microsoft MSFT stock is currently in a state of flux. The news is positive, with Microsoft continuing to make strides in AI and cloud computing. The charts, however, suggest a degree of uncertainty. The $420 level is a key resistance level to watch. A breakout above this level could signal a significant rally. On the other hand, a failure to break above the $420 level could lead to a correction lower, potentially toward the $410 level. It's important to watch the volume on all time frames, especially on the 15-minute chart, as it could provide valuable clues about the strength of any potential breakouts. Keep an eye on the news for any developments that could impact the stock's price, such as earnings reports or new product announcements. And remember, this is just a technical analysis, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more chart breakdowns.